Hi guys, so today I will show you how you can install the Meta AI and you can create a stunning image, eye-catching image and convert those images to the video. Okay, so let's start with the step one. First thing you'll have to install the Meta AI. So here, this is my Android phone, so I am coming here for this Meta AI. It is not coming on the top. The sponsored one is coming, that is Adobe Express. Adobe Express AI. So the second link I can see the Meta AI Vibes NAI. Okay, so I will install this. It will not take much time. It's around 63 MB of in size. So 60% done so far. You can see it's 100% now. Okay, so we'll wait here a bit. Installing now. Well, so it is installed. I can open here. Now you can see the screen. This is coming. So it depends on how space you have and how much RAM you have on your phone. It will be speed up again. So get started with Meta. I will click here. So you see the two button here. So I click on the first link and I will go through the account. Okay, so I have two account here. So this is not my personal phone, it's my spouse phone. So I will continue. So it will be verifying your age and everything from the Facebook itself, because I am now you see it is signing in. Okay. Okay, I can see it is all now. I will have to grant me the access here while using this app. Allow, create your face. Well, so this is me. Yeah, skip, record video, this, done. So either you can skip this step. Okay. Okay. Already we can
जटाटवी गलज्जलप्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्
okay, so this is the first image I am going to create. So create a stunning image of couple kissing thing. Okay, so this is, there may be some mistake in writing, but yeah, let me try this. So here it will take some time here. Oops, scan the generated image, because there may be something okay, so you can try different. Create image of an Indian woman working in farm. Okay, let me try this. Yes, so now you can see, so even the first thing I try here, the first prompt I written down here, the create a stunning image of the couple kissing scene. So if you rewrite, or there may be it's not something issue with your prompt, it will create. I have created in a different app or different mobile with the same app, so we'll have to try again. the same thing. So now, so this is the your image, and you can quickly convert your image into the video with this option here. You see here the option animate on the bottom. So let me try creating the animation for this one. If I click here, I am typing nothing, it will create automatically. And in case you want to give your style, you'll have to put here the prompt again. So it will convert based on your the customized prompt given here. Well, so this is how quickly you'll be able to create any image, and you can quickly convert your that newly created image to the video. Okay, now let's create here. Okay, so this is how I created an image. I converted those image into that one image into this animated video. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to create at your end, and please let me know in case you see any challenge. Thank you for watching and have a great day.